Hello, this is Editor Tab demo and tutorial will help you edit and style your text. And first option under the Editor tabs is Undo Redo, and Undo option is to reverse the most recent editing command, and Redo is to restore the changes again. Next is your fonts. Under font, first option is the font family. You can set the font family from here. Suppose this is our text and I'm setting here the font family. Next is the font size option. Next is to increase the font size. Then we have the decrease font size option. Here I'm making my heading to be bold. Next is the italic option. We have the underline option also. Then we have the subscript and the superscript option. Just see the subscript option. 2 is the subscript of H. Next is the superscript option. Here 2 is the superscript now. Next we have the strike through option. Here I'm striking through the text. And then we have the color option for the text. And here I'm changing the color of the font. Next option is to set the background of the text, and this option is used mainly to highlight your text. Next we have the various paragraph options, and first option is to add bullets. Just select the text from here and click on this option to add bullets to make an ordered list. Next we can add numbers or alphabets to make ordered list. You can see the number added in front of the text. Then we have the margin option to give margin to the paragraph from the top. You need to select the paragraph from here and just give the margin from the top to the paragraph. Similarly, you can give the margin from the bottom also. Then we have the indentation options, left indentation and right indentation. Just select your text and right indentation I'm giving, and this is for the left indentation. Now various alignment options for the text. Left alignment, you can center align your text. Then you have the right alignment option, justify option, and again the left alignment. Next we have the line height option. You can give the line height between the text from here. Next we have the option to add a line. You can mention the line type here to be solid, dotted or dashed. You can mention the line thickness and color of the stroke from here. Here I'm not adding a line to my text. Then you have the options to add image in your content. Just click here and you can browse the image from here. This is your image. And here are the various options to do the image settings and set the floating type from here. You can set the height and width of the image from here. Then we have the margin options. Apart from adding image to the content, you can also add button. Just click here and go to this option. You need to enter the header of your button here, and next you have to mention the URL, and you can decide the target from here, whether you want same window or new window. I'm selecting the same window option and just click on OK, and the button is added. Now you can customize this button through the Elements tab. Just go to the Element tab and button option. Here are the various presets of the button. Next is the background option for the button. You can change the background in the normal case and the background in the hover case. After the background option, you have the border option. You can style the button from here. Similarly, you can set the border on hover. After the background and the border option, you have the typography option in the normal and the hover case. After the font size in the hover, you have the font family and the font color option. I am selecting this one as the font color. Now the texture, shadow and the padding options for the button. Here I am giving the padding from left, right, top and bottom. And this is your button after the customization. Next is your video. Just click here to add video to the content. Just go to the video option, and here you need to mention the link and the height and width of the video. This is the width of the video option, and from here you can give the margin to the video from left, right, top and bottom, and just click on OK to add the video. Now I'm stopping this video here, and after the video, next is the hyperlink option. Now I'm creating a hyperlink. I'm giving the proper font size, and after selecting the text, just click on the hyperlink option. Here you can mention any external URL or any internal page. Here I'm selecting the About Us and click on OK. Next you can preview. This is your design on preview. And this is your hyperlink. Just click on the hyperlink and your About Us page is open. After the hyperlink, coming to the table option, just click on the table, and here are the fields for rows and columns. And next is the column width option. You can set the width of the columns according to the space. I'm checking the automatic option and just click on OK. The table is added to the content. Next is your redo and undo options. Undo option to reverse the recent editing command. Just like I'm doing undo here, and your table is deleted, and again redo to restore the changes again. From this option I can delete the table. I'm again adding a table, and selecting the automatic option. Here I'm giving the border width, and this is the color option for the table, and just click on OK, and the table is added. This is the first row of the table, and this one is the last row. Now next option is to insert a row above. Just click here, and from here you can insert a row above. You can see the row inserted. Then similarly you can insert a row below. From here this row is inserted. And next is the remove row option. I'm removing this row. Again I'm removing the row from here. Then we have the option to insert the column to the left. I'm inserting a column to the left. This column is inserted, and similarly this is my last column, and I'm adding a column to the right. This column is added to the right of the table, and see, now I'm removing this column both from the left and from the right. That's all in the editor tab. There is a lot more you can try on your own. It's really simple to do designing with our TemplateToaster. Just keep watching the videos, and thank you once again. Thank you.